The Osa Peninsula in Costa Rica is the third most biologically diverse place on the planet. The Osa boasts thousands of species of trees, birds, reptiles and mammals, all of which can be found at Bosque del Cabo. At Bosque del Cabo, you don't have to look for the wildlife, we take you to it.
So now, you've got the monkeys up at the top of the trees going about their business.
Our trained biologists and wildlife spotters are ready to take you to the beating heart of the rainforest and introduce you to the simplicity of this complex habitat. At Bosque del Cabo, a wild world awaits you.